Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what's necessary. Install Node, JS LTS, and a code editor, then make a project folder. Once done, run npm init to get package, JSON and create index, HTML plus script, JS, link the script at the end of the body so the DOM loads first. Now open the console in your browser and run a simple console. Log hello in script, JS. This gets immediate feedback and proves your environment works, so you can move to coding fundamentals. You now tackle the heart of JavaScript: variables, let const, primitives and objects plus operators. Make short experiments, write functions, use if/else for and while loops, and practice array methods like map, filter, and reduce. Once you understand a concept, apply it. Build 5 tiny tasks, some array, filter names, toggle classes, using the console and debugger to step through execution. Make sure to refactor mistakes immediately. This active feedback loop cements patterns faster than passive reading. You finish by wiring a simple UI, query selector, add event listener, and update the DOM on events. Once done, test in the browser and read console errors carefully. Stack traces point to the line and error type. If something breaks, isolate the problematic function and reproduce the bug with the minimal code needed to fail. This reveals the root cause. Finally, search your own code for typos, ensure scripts load in order, and retry. If issues persist, restart the dev server and repeat the minimal test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.